Mile 1 Audi Silver Spring. Here's the vehicle for you.
The new Audi S8 brings a new level of refined performance. The 4.0 TFSI brings the engine downsizing strategy to the high-performance class. Twin turbocharging gives the V8 outstanding power at 520 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, mated to the 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission that delivers responsive shifts and 2 overdrive top gears. The S8 welcome message greets enthusiast drivers in the instrument cluster and Audi MMI screen. Front seating adjusts 22 ways with standard heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Audi Connect enhances the driver experience through Google Earth 3D graphics for use with the latest Audi MMI Navigation Plus, adaptive cruise control, Audi Side Assist, Audi Lane Assist, Night Vision, and Audi Presense, which constantly monitors vehicle systems and surroundings to provide preventative measures if necessary. The 2013 Audi S8, high performance in your grasp.
Mile 1 Audi Silver Spring, conveniently located minutes from Rockville, Columbia, Laurel, and DC, Route 29 and Briggs Cheney Road, or Maryland 200, Exit 17.